Hey guys, it's Kelly, the embroidery nurse. So I'm so excited about this. I have been waiting for this thread to show up and I am stoked. So today, Halloween's coming, and what's more exciting than glow in the dark thread? Like, are you kidding me? I am so excited. So all day, I got this package yesterday, and all day I've literally, let me show you, had this thread hanging out underneath my ring light. Do you see it? Can you see it through there? Maybe you can't. It's so bright under my ring light. But I have been having it just super shined. I've been rotating it a little bit so I can get as much light on this before I actually use them. So let's talk about this. I had been kind of scouring around looking for what I was hoping to be a really good glow-in-the-dark thread. This is not one that, well, we'll see what it looks like, and if it's amazing, then okay, go ahead and order it for next year, but it took forever for it to arrive. I didn't realize, I don't sometimes pay attention. I don't know about you guys, but I bought it off Etsy and didn't realize until I got my confirmation email that this was from a company overseas, because literally the name of the shop, which didn't appear like it on Etsy, the information was written in Chinese. What? A little bait and switch, I think. But look at this. So I got three colors. So I got the white, I got a pink, and I got a light blue. I think there were 8 color options total, and so I'm super excited. I hope I've gotten enough light on these for us to see. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into my cellar, because it's the darkest place in my house, and we're gonna see if they already are starting to glow. They haven't been under there like too long, but I have had it for a little while today underneath the light. So let's go see what it's gonna look like, and then I'm gonna show you some really cute designs that I'm hoping to stitch out for us today. All right? All right, so welcome to my cellar. Really strange place for me to be recording from, but this is the darkest room in my house, right? So I'm gonna turn the light on. I'm not sure how this is gonna look, and we'll see if we can see it show up. So here's the 3 colors. I'm gonna have white, pink, and blue, and let's see when I turn this off, the light off, if we'll be able to see them. Can I hold them? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, there we go. I had to get up really close for us to be able to see them, but they're definitely glowing. Okay, so the white one is obviously showing the most. The pink, I'm not too excited about that one. You can barely see it. And then the blue looks very similar to white. So that's gonna be really interesting to see how this looks once we put it on the shirt, if we're gonna be able to differentiate between the 2 colors. So, super fun. They definitely glow. All right, let's get out of the dark. Okay, so that was dark, and welcome to my cellar, right? So again, these are the 3 colors we're gonna be using. The white is the one that showed up really well. The pink, not so much. I'm kind of disappointed in that one. Like, I knew it was gonna be not gonna glow as much, but it barely glowed at all. So we'll see once it becomes just like 1 strand versus the entire spool, maybe it will show up more. And then the blue showed up really good as well, but it looked very similar to the white. So it's gonna be interesting when we stitch these out, if we'll see any differentiation between the 2. Hopefully we will, so we can see the designs. I have 2 really cute designs that I got from Alphalicious, and I chose these because they were sketch designs. I wanted to have as much of the thread used so that hopefully when we turn the lights off, when the kids have these shirts on, they will really glow. So let me show you how cute. I thought it'd be fun, obviously, to put them on black shirts. Since we're using the white threads, we wanted it to pop. But you guys, look at this. Can you see the cute little ghost? So that's the boy ghost version. And it's got little glasses and a bow tie. And I've got the child's name. And then this is the girl's version. Look at that cuteness. So instead of the bow tie, it's got a hair bow up top. These are going to be so cute, aren't they? All right, so we're gonna stitch these out, and then we'll probably go back in the cellar again to see how they look. I'm super excited. I think these are gonna be so cute, and what a fun shirt for the kids to wear this Halloween. Okay, so I'm beyond tickled by these, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. You just watched it stitch out. Look at that. That's the boys version, and it's got the blue thread and the white thread that are both the glow in the dark, right? And then I did the girl version, and look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. So actually every thread on here other than the black is glow in the dark. So the pink is, but we're a little hesitant about how that's going to show up. Now what I did with this one, I actually ran this twice, the actual ghost, so you can see against that black shirt how it like stands out a bit more. And I think that's going to help it glow in the dark a little bit more too. So here's our two cuties. Let me see if I can hold them. I've kept them in the frames so that we can hold them up really good in the cellar. But y'all, how cute are these? So the next thing that I have to do, we're going back in the cellar and we're going to see how they glow. I do imagine that this one is going to glow a little bit better because I did run it twice through on the ghost part, and you can see the difference there. But I'm super excited, and I'm hoping that it does glow a little bit, right? So it can be fun for the kids. So here we go. Okay, this is definitely the oddest place that I have recorded from for sure, but this is the darkest room in my house. We're back in the cellar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hold these upright, and then let's see if I can do this. And so I'm not gonna move other than turning this, let's see, maybe let's just do one. We're gonna do this one first. So I'm gonna hold it right here, and then we're going to turn the light off, so hopefully you can see it all, and hopefully we're going to see it glow. I'll pull it in closer too. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, so I've got to get a lot closer for you to be able to see it. Like, it really is glowing, but you really can't see it in here that well. But I promise you, like, you can see the lights there. Like, I'm seeing it glow. It's just not capturing it on the camera like I would hope. So, all right, let's do another trial here. So again, I can see it glow. It's definitely glowing, but it doesn't pick up on my camera. So I hate that. All right, let's see if maybe this one does, since it's a little bit more thread on there. Maybe this will pick up. All right, let's see. And I might not even know how to do the settings on my camera to show you guys this. So all right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I'm finally getting it to show up in the dark. There, you can see it glowing. It's really hard to get it to focus because the camera is in the dark, but you can see it. So you can tell that the pink doesn't glow too much, but that the other areas do. So you can even see the blue, which are the glasses, and then the body there. The name, you can kind of see it. It's glowing a little bit, not as bright as that's kind of picking it up, but I mean, it works, you guys, and it's so fun. What a great project for Halloween. Let's see if I can get our boy one in. Now this one probably won't glow as much in the dark in here, mainly because it but there you go, it does glow. The blue looks really good on it. The blue really stands out, and there's the name. Y'all, these are too cute, and it's dark in here. My camera's trying so hard to pick this up for us, but I love it. So again, super fun, glow in the dark. Let's turn our lights back on. Okay, now that I've messed with every button on my camera, I'm not sure it's ever going to be the same, but I'm super excited. I think these are going to be fun additions to my shop, and just a fun project with some thread that glows in the dark. Like, seriously, how fun. I'm super excited. Now again, you got to put a lot of light on these for them to actually glow, and you know, we probably need to test some other brands, and I will link the ones below that I bought, but again, it took forever for them to get to me. So if you're getting them for this holiday, Halloween season, it ain't coming. But this has been fun. Hope you've enjoyed it, and look forward to stitching something soon with you again. Happy stitching, guys.